This is the elevator Hershey rode. I was literally about to see Moogle, but then I went up on this elevator. Oh boy, it's not doing so good. It also got a new floor again. Early in the day, so yeah. Alright, get ready for this. Good part is it's not low in oil. This is a nice elevator though, but it's kind of running like crap a little bit. Hopefully they fix it. And of course you got your lovely double call button. See if it goes. Nope, didn't go anywhere. I'll get another thumbnail because I think I still have to get a second thumbnail. Alright, that's it.